What's up everybody? In today's video we will take a look on the exact XRP setup that I am planning to take. So in this video I will reveal my exact entry, exact stop loss, take profit targets, risk management, etc. So if you are interested, definitely watch this video till the end. Let's start today's analysis on a 4-hour chart. Here I am currently watching two main areas, this bearish and this bullish order block. This bearish order block is between levels 1.494 and 1.145. Here, if there will be breakout with a support confirmation of this area, I am expecting here a retest of this next previous important high, which is level 1.67. Then we have here this bearish order block, which is between levels 1.96 and 1.90. After breakout and then a support confirmation here, there should be a profit potential around like 26-27% of a net market. So this is first important area that you need to remember. Next important bullish order block is this one, which is between levels 1.381 and 1.345. And here again, if there will be breakdown with a resistance confirmation, then I'm expecting here a retest of this previous lower levels. So if this area will be confirmed as resistance, we can definitely go on a lower prices. You can see we just perfectly retested this bullish order block, and right now we are retesting this bearish order block. So the closest potential bigger move can be valid in case of a breakout and then a support confirmation of this area. If you want to be part of my trading community and you want to get access to all of the coins that I'm currently watching, don't forget to join. Link to join is in the description or in the comments. As I said, after a breakout and then a support confirmation here, there will be a pump around like probably 11.4% of a net market. Next up is this next bearish order block, which is a potential profit around like 27.2% of a net market. In this video, as I said, I will show you the exact trade that I am planning to take, but before that we need to go through a higher time frame so we can completely understand what XRP is gonna do in the upcoming days. Let's now switch to a daily time frame. Here you can see XRP is in the kinda big downtrend, because from this high to this low, this is a dump around like currently 60.5% of a net market. In my Discord group, where I am sharing all of my trades, we actually took a few weeks or days ago, we took a long position on XRP. This trade was took by one of the traders that are in my Discord community, and this was an entry on the level 1.243. So from a current level, this is a potential profit, or like this is a current profit around 16.2% of a net market. But on a daily time frame, the main target remained this bearish order block area, which is between levels 2.583 and 2.208. So from this entry, this is a potential profit around like 74 to like 107% of a net market. Don't worry, this is not the setup that I want to show you in this video. In this video, I will show you the exact new trading setup that me personally I am planning to take. Of course, if certain conditions are met. But on a daily time frame, again, you need to watch this previous important high, because on this way down, we were simply forming lower highs. So these highs, well, were lower than this one. These lows are lower than this one. Again, these are lower than this one lower than this one, and this last previous important high is lower than this one. So on a daily time frame, I simply want to see here breakout and then a support confirmation on the level 1.671. And if there will be a support confirmation on a daily time frame, in my opinion, this whole downtrend is reversed and we are probably gonna retest this previous important highs. So after a breakout and then a support confirmation of this previous important high, this is a potential move around like 31 to like 54% of a net market. So this is another opportunity to trade here some interesting move. Also, RSI on a daily time frame, this is very undervalued because we are still on the level like 23.72. So yeah, I think even with like these other indicators, there is currently room for some pump. Before we continue in the XRP analysis, we need to take a quick stop because I want to show you a Bitcoin chart. Because Bitcoin is simply moving the whole market. If Bitcoin will crash, no matter what setup are you watching on any altcoin, this altcoin is gonna drop. So always, even if you don't trade Bitcoin, you need to be aware of the chart that it have. So right now we are between this bearish and this bullish order block area. This bearish area is between level 71k 100 and 70k, and this bullish order block area is between level 68k and 65k 200. And again, if there will be breakout and then a support confirmation of this area, I am expecting here a retest of this important bearish order block. But if there will be breakdown with a resistance confirmation, I am expecting here a lower low. So the whole market right now is in the critical condition. We can definitely go up from a current level, but there can be another liquidity grab under this previous important lows. If we will take a look on a daily time frame, again, you can see we are still forming here lower highs. So for me, let's say for this whole dump to be invalid, or like for this downtrend to be invalid, there needs to be a breakout of the level 79k 469. If there will be a breakout with a support confirmation, I am simply expecting we will go on a higher levels, and so let's say this whole dump is behind us. But until that, there is still some probability that we can see here another drop. To be honest, I'm not expecting that we will drop to like 40 or like 30k. I think that's not that possible, but I think there is still some probability that we can do like one last liquidity grab. So for example, if I'm gonna switch again to a 4-hour chart, I think we can again do something like this, because a lot of people who are currently opening long positions on the current areas are having stop losses somewhere here. So there can be like one last liquidity grab to take all of the stop losses and then go up again. And the last chart that I want to show you on XRP before I will reveal the exact trade is a weekly time frame. Definitely, guys, do not skip these higher time frame charts, because like on these higher time frames you can simply see where the altcoin will go in the long run. You can see that XRP was consolidating between like level approximately 1.8 to like 3.6, so this is kind of a huge range, and right now we took liquidity under, and there is currently a resistance confirmation, because like these two candles will probably close simply under that 1.8 level, and I'm not expecting that in the current week we will go back to like this bearish order block. So right now in the long run, XRP is definitely bearish, because there is a drop around like 60% of a net market. Again, for this sentiment to be switched, there needs to be a breakout and then a support confirmation of the level 1.67, and again breakout and then support confirmation of this important bearish order block on a weekly time frame. And I want you to know this, because even I will be talking here about the exact long position that you can take. Simply, you need to always follow proper risk management, because we will be simply betting against the market, because in my opinion, taking a short right now, even we are in the heavy bearish uptrend, is not making that much sense, because simply the risk reward ratio is not gonna be that great. Because if you will, for example, think that XRP is gonna hit like $1, then from this current level, this would be a profit around like 29% of a net market. That's simply not that much. But if we will, for example, let's say speculate here for a retest of this bearish order block, so of the area between like these two levels, this is a potential profit around like 40 to 41% of a net market. So in my opinion, speculating on the long side right now is simply much better. So the exact trading position that I am planning to take here is on a daily time frame. Here you can see we are having this important resistance area, which was, for example, like important resistance here. Also, it's like a huge liquidity grab under all of these previous important lows. And you can see that also on a daily time frame, all of these daily candles currently closed under this area. So for me, it's like really important to see here breakout with a support confirmation. And what this exactly means? This simply means that like two daily candles needs to close above this bearish order block area. So if the one daily candle will close above and the next one will close again in this area, this was simply a fake out. But if like two daily candles will close above, then this this is a support confirmation and you can take your long position. Stop loss, in this case, you want to place under this previous important lows, because like this 12% stop loss is giving you enough space to have, let's say, safe trade. And also if there will be like a drop again under this previous lows, then this coin will probably go down. So there is no point of holding this losing position longer than is necessary. Again, guys, if you want to get access to all of my trading setups, don't forget to join my Discord trading group, where I'm sharing setups like this every single day. It's completely free. Link to join in the description or in the comments. Last take profit target is a liquidated grab above this bearish order block area, because like you can see, yes, we have here some interesting resistance areas, for example, or around like this previous important lows. But besides that, I think that if there will be like a whole market reversal, I simply think this can be a quick move. As I said, I will show you the exact take profit targets that I am planning to take. So first take profit targets will be around the level 1.67, because this is like important previous high. As I said, this whole trend will be probably over, or like this downtrend will be probably over if there will be breakout and then a support confirmation of this area. So this is a strong resistance. I want to take some of the profits around this level. Next take profit targets will be area between levels 1.80 and 1.87, because here you can see this was like important support. This will be next important resistance. Next profits I want to take under this bearish order block area. So this is a level around 2.2. Then if you want to contain something in this bearish order block, but for me, last take profit targets will be a liquidated grab above this bearish order block, because I simply think that if we are gonna go retest this area, there will be, let's say, pretty large amount of short traders that will place their stop losses above this bearish order block. So I simply think we will go grab the liquidity. And the last part that I want to say in this video is invalidation, because if this will be, or like this breakout will be just a fake out with a resistance confirmation, for example, something like this will happen, so we will actually break it, but next candle will close in this area, this setup is not valid until there will be that support confirmation. And if we will create a new low, which means that from here we will, for example, dump again to like these lower prices, again this long position is invalidated. Honestly, I didn't even share this trading position in my Discord trading group yet. So again, if you want to be part, don't forget to join a Discord trading group. Link to join is in the description or in the comments. And yeah, guys, this will be simply all from me for today. Definitely let me know in the comments what are your exact thoughts about this coin. And for example, let me know your exact price prediction that you think XRP is gonna hit this year. So hey guys, this will be all from me for today. I will be really happy if you consider like or subscribing to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. See ya.